So for the first step, my base is already done. I have applied my moisturizer, I have applied my lip balm. I will be going with LA Girl Pro Conceal. And then I will be blending it with my beauty blender. I'll just build up my concealer a little bit. Then I will be taking pump of my foundation. And then I will be taking my Maybelline ka mascara just to brighten up my under eye area because I think I'm looking really dull today. I will be taking my sugar ka powder. Make sure you set your face as soon as you apply your base because then your crease area and your under eye area will start creasing out. जो भी बोलते हैं बहुत फाइन लाइंस आने लग जाएंगे इसलिए. Okay, so since I have a really white translucent powder, I go with my makeup fixer after my base. You can obviously skip this step and go with this as the last step, but I do it because I'm not comfortable with this much white. So I will be jumping to my eyes. For eyes, I don't know what I'm doing.
कौन है ये लोग? कहाँ से आते हैं?
I will be going with my bronzer on my crease area. Then maybe I will be going with this shade. And then for the outer corner, I will be going with this pink shade right here. So for the next step, what I will be doing, I will be taking this highlighter. As I promised, I showed you guys how to use bronzer, how to use blush on your eyes as the eyeshadow. I will be going with highlighter today on my eyes. I will be taking this much. I'm just gonna go with my I will be going with my bronzer again just to blend everything out. And then I will be going with this shade. Okay, so for other eye also I will be doing the same step. This highlighter is actually really powdery, so after using my makeup fixer you will get to know what I'm talking about. I'll just take the bronzer and go on my upper crease to neutralize the effect of the highlighter, and then after bronzer I will be going with this pink shade on my outer corner again. Just drag the pink color inside. Just go on with the bronzer over the highlighter a little bit. It was damn hard. Okay, so for the next step I will be going with my kajal.
तो टोयम खाएगी.
And then I will be going with my upper lash line. Then I will be just curling my lashes with my finger. So for the next step, I will be taking this brush right here and I will be going with this shade, just the tint of this shade on my lower lash line. Okay, so for my right eye, I will be going with kajal again, just to build the intensity of the color. If you want, you can skip this step for sure. So for the next step, I will be taking my bronzer. I'll just bronze my face. Okay, so for the next step, I will be going with the blush. For blush, I think I should go with red color. Okay, I'll just switch to my pink color only because I regret applying red color as the blush. I'll just correct it with my foundation. That's it. I'll just go with this shade, pat it. After that, I will be going with a good red lipstick. Lip liner किधर है? वो काजल है.
दोनों अलग अलग होते हैं क्या?
Okay, I will go with my lipstick directly. It's not glossy, it's matte. Okay, so I will be going with another coat of this color. I will be taking this pink color right here because I think I have applied a lot of pink on my face today. My outer area, my blush. I am pink नहीं बोलूँगी मैं, वो गलती से बोला था मैंने. Then I will be going with my makeup fixer and then you will see the difference. Okay, so for the last step I will be going with my highlighter. For highlighter I will be taking this highlighter only. I will be going with my beauty fixer again because I don't want this much highlighting face. this is how my face looks. This is how the highlighter looks. This is the bronzer, my blush and my highlighter. And